Welcome. Welcome to Let's Look Inside. In this episode, we're going to be looking at Dukes of Hazzard, Sheriff Roscoe's police car. So let's look inside. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode of Let's Look Inside, the Dukes of Hazzard, Sheriff Roscoe's police car. I got no idea what model this is. There's I can't find anything on there to see what car this is made from or based on. But it's 125 scale from MPC. Got a nice interesting shot there. Can head on by the looks. Roscoe, he's a great character. They all were actually. So Dukes of Hazzard jumping out of the car, police car jumping in one of the artwork, and Roscoe with his dog. I've got no idea what the dog's name is, I can't remember. So this actually says on the actual size, model showing actual size, so that's the size of the model, which would be too. So it's a nice looking box, nice model. In there, I think the other one's the same, yep. And on the bottom there, just showing the spews, what's inside the model, and just the normal stuff they have on there. Okay, this is what comes in the box, so we're going to pull it apart piece by piece. Okay, it's very similar. Inside looks very similar. No, it's not, it's different. I was going to say it looks similar to the Dukes of Hazzard one, but it's different here, so which is good. No, I think the seats are different. But this is the body work. It looks very nice. Again, two doors. Dukes of Hazzard got General Lee, I mean, got two single doors. It's got four doors. But it looks nice, feels nice. Looks very good. The detail. Got them on there. They just flash and as they cut off. They try getting out of the bag. But yeah, that's nice. You got the interior, got back seats, you got the front seats there. And the doors don't open on these, which, you know, most models don't. And you got the one better word, chassis. This has already got exhaust pipe in. So it looks very nice. Seems to go together nicely. So yeah, this would go on there roughly. About there. Probably there. Yep. Here's the tyres. One thing I missed on the Dukes of Hazzard, the General Lee, there's the back axle. I missed showing that. Of course, in the bag there, but these tyres look very actually different tread. That's good. They're not exactly the same as. So we can see that. Oop. Can't see the tread on there. It's very hard. Still setting up my lighting right. Here's the lights. You got the blue lights, the red lights, and tail lights. Okay, open up sideways. I opened this up ages ago. So you got three sets of lights. It's weird, you only got one blue and one red on this. There must have a spare one. But yes, there's the lights there. The tailgate's on there. The back lights. Here's the front window and back window. They're done in one piece, this one. Because you got some side windows too, but nothing in the driver and passenger, but the back window's got glass in it. But it's done one piece. Strangely, there's one piece, but the Dukes of Hazzard's two pieces. They had no side windows, so maybe that was why. It was the side windows to make it easier, so pretty cool. So you've got four spews here. You got the front bonnet. You got the first aid kit. Looks like a radio or something. Not too sure what there's. 1, 2, 3 guns. I don't think I trust Roscoe with a gun though. Especially some of these guns, man, they have big guns. Then you got the front seat. Front seat, backing of the front seat, dashboard, the 4 brake discs, if you want a better name, and the 2 parts in there, which pop in there. That's going to be front ones, back ones. Oop, the steering wheel fell off. The steering wheel, let me put that in there so I don't lose it. So you got the front, the rims, the wheels, all four. You got the firewall, you got the radiator, and the back axle, which is on this one, it's not part of it. Like it doesn't have the exhausters underneath that one, yeah. There's the engine, you got the engine block, different parts of the engine on there. So battery, one of the pulleys, the belts. And here's all the chrome pieces. We've got a lot on this one. You got the front lights by looks, back grille, front grille, bumper, back bumper, front bumper. So all the grills by looks. Too sure what that is, might be, not too sure. Fan belt, part of the engine, lights. That's one thing I didn't see. Parts of the lights, interesting. Handgun. Got a little chrome handgun in there. I guess that's part of the motor. So this came with it. As I don't know whether this is still active. You can still use it because this is about 2011, 2012, about 10-year-old model, 11-year-old model. So is the booklet, yeah, 2011, 2012. So I'll show this again. This looks exactly the same as the one, yeah, same as the one that Dukes of Hazzard, the General Lee had. I got the Dracula, but I don't have the Monster Mash, Monsters Coach. Don't have that one. Batmobile, my favourite. I'll go over that again when I that was the last one. And just the cars and trucks on that side. So I went through that kind of with detail in the in a lot of these in the Dukes of Hazzard Challenger, General Lee. A lot of those, two instructions here too, kind of confused me. Sheriff Rosco, might be different languages. Yep. Okay, this one's Spanish. This one, well, French. S for Spanish, I guess. F for French. E for English. Okay, that's one we want. Pretty much standard instructions. You got the different colour paint scheme on there. Step numbers, what each one refers to. Safety. So start building the engine. Step 1 and 2. Step 3, engine. That's a gun rack. Okay, that I wasn't too sure. I thought it was roll cage, but it didn't look right. Gun rack, okay. So that's the gun rack, the guns. The communication device, I guess. 5. Not too sure where it goes. Oh, in the back seat. Okay, it's over here. Yep, front wheel, back wheel. Putting the wheels on. Putting the engine in. Putting the glass in. All the parts into the body itself. Remove that. Firewall. Then you start putting the grill in. 14, 15. Bonnet goes on. Oh, that goes in the front. Okay. Okay, that's fair enough. Then you got the lights. Blue, clear, red, clear, red, clear. I think you can have either both red or blue and red. That's why it's extra red in there. Okay, that makes sense. Putting the klaxon horn on the side. Then just putting the decals on. And back to part 1. This is decals. They're looking really nice. You got, there's 2 types of number plates. Cool. Hazzard County, Sheriff, the flag on there. Sheriff, the Admiral. Looks like, the state there. More information there, and that's just copyright stuff, so that looks pretty cool. So let's look inside of the Dukes of Hazzard Sheriff Roscoe's police car. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, and thank you for those who have subscribed. Leave comments below. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.